Good morning.
Good morning.
So, a bit of a loud night last night. Lots of dogs barking, wasn't there?
Too many dogs barking. It's
a hazard of these campsites because there's so many stray dogs. But we slept okay.
Eventually.
So, we were thinking we might stay here another night, but we're going to head off and we're going to visit Essaouira today. It's Ramadan. That started today. So, I'm not quite sure if we're going to find much open because fast between sunrise and sunset, and apparently lots of things are closed. So we'll have to see what we find. Might all just be closed.
Absolutely not, wife, no.
And then we're going to head off to another campsite that we spotted just outside Essaouira. See if that's a bit quieter.
And probably feed all the cats in there as well, as we've got 4 cats around the van at the moment. And Yana keeps feeding them.
I know, lovely little kitties. It's their little treat when I come along.
Oh, and we've got a carrot for the donkey on the way out as well.
We didn't use the carrot, so now we've got to find
a donkey. So yes, exciting days, but we will see you later on our travels. Thank you, bye. So we're off, leaving our little campsite. Oh, got a first police check coming up.
It was a bit of a scrubby little town, but very good value when it's scrubby. Nice hot shower this morning, but quite basic looking.
Yeah.
I think quite a lot of the showers in Morocco would not be appealing to most people, would you say, Timothy?
Yeah. Merci.
So, a few things to see in Essaouira. There's the port, Medina, a square, and for us, the most important thing,
Carrefour.
We are so sad.
Yeah.
Literally every town we go to, we search out the Carrefour. Just nice to have a bit of normality. I mean, it's really expensive, but you can walk in, no one hassles you, everything's nice and clean. Don't get me wrong, we love the Moroccans and the shops, but just not used to it, you know?
Third police check of the day. Hopefully our friendly police will just let us go through. Certainly haven't been speeding, so we will see when we get there. Have to remember to do your stops.
Halte, polizo.
Okay. Let's see. I always stop for the one with a gun. So just parked up by the Carrefour supermarket, and it's a busy day, as you can see. The camels have come in, so they're all stocking up on the goods and everything that they need. Hello, camels. Oh, hello, Yana. I wonder if I can sell her. When are we there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I reckon I could get 3 camels for her. What do you reckon? So we're in Essaouira. It's very cloudy and a little bit chilly, we have to say. But, sadly, but we're heading into the old town Medina by the looks of it. The smallest cannons I think I've ever seen. absolutely amazing. I've not seen anything really like it. If you look at all the fishing boats, absolutely stunning.
Back on the road we go.
Just leaving Essaouira. Trying not to get run over by the dangerous taxis.
Just about see the sand dunes on your right. So we are on the road to Sidi Kouaki, a very small surfing town. Quite cool, just heading through the back streets to Sidi Kaouki. Lots of cool villas where the foreigners have bought plots of land. And
I can see the sea.
yay! Nice to see the sea. We're here, just right on the beach.
Site for the dog guarding the gate by the looks of it. Going off for a little walk. Literally 200 yards from the beach, which will be absolutely lovely, I hope. This is where we're staying. We were lucky we couldn't get into them when we tried first, which is just over the road here, but we ended up getting to this one, and this is a lovely little site. We've got a lovely little spot. We're very happy. Not a bad view from our restaurant spot today, Wifey. Alphont, as in
Restaurant of the Wind.
Restaurant of the Wind, and it is pretty windy out there today.
It is.
Coming into our new campsite, which we both like very much.
It's very nice feel to
A
it.
bit more wide and open, and the people who run it are absolutely lovely.
It's lovely, but it still have the same thing. It's a bit weird.
There's this one. We really like this one. Got a nice spot at the very far end of this more English people in here. When we came to have a look around, there was quite a few here, and there's probably 5 or 6 English vans in here, so unusually we're not outnumbered by the French. So I'll bring you around to where we are, which is literally just tucked in this little corner here. Another campsite, another cat being fed. We're calling this one Spotty. If you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you very much.